Amid repeated instances of aggressive flying by Russian Air Force pilots, U.S. Air Force F-22 Raptor stealth fighter jets have once again arrived in the Middle East. In February 2022, the F-22s landed at the Al Dhafra Air Base in the United Arab Emirates. Now, in mid-June 2023, they have been redeployed to the Middle East. The decision to redeploy the F-22s demonstrates the American commander's concern about the antics of Russian pilots. In June, the commander of the U.S. Air Force in the Middle East expressed concern about the escalation of aggression shown by Russian fighter pilots in Syria, which is a testament to the long-standing tense relationship between the U.S. and Russia in the region. According to experts, the recent warning of increased activity by Russian forces in Syria is just another example of the current contentious relationship between the United States and Russia. Lieutenant Gen. Alexis Grinkwich, commander of the U.S. Air Force Central Command, said on June 21 that Russian fighter pilots have been acting more aggressively in Syria. This behavior could be a way that Russia is compensating for its reduced presence in Syria due to its involvement in the Ukraine conflict. Despite Russia facing challenges such as a counteroffensive in Ukraine and recently faced a mutiny by Wagner Group mercenaries, it appears that these issues have not affected its air operations in Syria. 9 people were killed in Idlib province when a crowded market was hit by Russian airstrikes on June 24 to 25. In recent months, Russian planes armed with air-to-ground weapons have made unsafe flights over U.S. troop positions in Syria, which has been called a hoax by U.S. Commander Lieutenant General Alexis Grinkwich. At a recent press conference, Grinkwich highlighted a specific incident in mid-March where a Russian fighter jet shot down an American MQ-9 Reaper drone, causing it to crash into the Black Sea. Grinkwich expressed concern about Russia's endorsement of such unprofessional actions by rewarding the pilot responsible for the downing of the MQ-9 Reaper. Grinkwich, I am speaking after the U.S. Air Force redeployed F-22s to the Middle East. Notable for its air superiority and designed as a stealth fighter, the return of the F-22 marks a significant shift in U.S. military strategy to redeploy advanced fighter aircraft from the Middle East to Europe and the Pacific. As part of the offset plan for attacks by Russian warplanes, attack aircraft designed specifically for ground targets, known as A-10s, were scheduled for use in the Middle East. Arguing the need for redeployment, Grinkwich said the return of the F-22 showed U.S. support and capability in response to Russia's questionable conduct in Syria. He believed that the recent increase in unprofessional behavior and assertive flying by Russian pilots called for such action by the Pentagon. Defense Department strategists said a greater air presence in Syria needed to be deployed to prevent Moscow from continuing to attack U.S. targets on the ground. If you like this type of news, subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so that YouTube sends you alerts when we publish a new video. And for today, we finish our report. We await your comments in this regard. And until the next show.